Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. As we have been reading chapter 11, Force and Pressure, today we will do next topic of this chapter, that is atmospheric pressure. We live on earth and there is lot of air around us. The layer of air surrounding our earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to several kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure exerted by the air due to its own weight is called atmospheric pressure. If such an enormous amount of pressure is acting on us, why do we not feel it? This is because the pressure of the blood in the blood vessels and other fluids present in the body, they balance the atmospheric pressure. Now we will understand this by an activity to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. For this activity, take a glass full of water and a piece of thick card. Fill a glass tumbler up to the brim with water and cover the glass with the card. Now keep the card in the position with one hand and invert the glass tumbler full of water. Now withdraw the hand supporting the card. What do you observe? You see that the piece of card doesn't fall, though the glass tumbler that is full of water exert pressure on the card in the downward direction. The card doesn't fall because the atmospheric pressure acts on the card in the upward direction, holds the card in place. The upward atmospheric pressure acting on the card is greater than the downward pressure of water on the card. So this shows as the presence of enormous atmospheric pressure around us. If you have remembered, we have done this activity in 7th standard also, right? You can also perform this activity at your home also. I hope you all will perform this activity at your home. So it's all about the presence of atmospheric pressure around us. Thank you.